आज विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एएस जयशंकर ने सरीनाम के समाज के विभिन्न वर्गों को संबोधित करते हुए वैश्विक परिदृश्य पर अपनी पुष्टि जारी की है। उन्होंने बताया कि आज वित्तीय समाधान, तकनीक और भूगोल का इस्तेमाल अब हथियार के रूप में हो रहा है। अमेरिका अब ऊर्जा का सबसे बड़ा निर्यातक बन गया है, जो नीतिगत बदलावों को प्रभावित करेगा। डॉक्टर जयशंकर ने कहा कि दुनिया तेजी से बदल रही है और अनिश्चितता बढ़ रही है। उनका मानना है कि भारत और सूरीनाम मिलकर इस बदलाव को अब अधिक समावेशी बनाएंगे।
Of technology, weaponization of connectivity, of geography, using market shares and their capabilities and their influence to actually obtain goals and exert influence in a manner in which we could not have imagined or planned for earlier. Not just that, the world itself, in many ways, the metrics by which we measure the world, they have started changing. We used to think, for example, of the United States as a country for decades, primarily as an energy importer. Now the United States has actually become one of the world's largest energy exporter, and it has obviously very major policy consequences. We look at technology, and today we are poised at the beginning, you can say, of an AI era, looking at technology in its most intrusive form, that it's not just going to come right into our homes and shape our thinking. It is actually probably in the next few years going to change everything around us. There's no domain of activity which is not going to be impacted by AI.